The network showed new renders of the iPhone SE2. Features, photos. The company will introduce new smartphones as early as 2020. Although the iPhone 11 was released not so long ago, many users are already looking forward to the next generation iPhone. We are talking not only about the iPhone 12, but also about the long-awaited iPhone SE2. In this regard, today we have several fresh renderings based on what we know about the next iPhone SE2. Renders taken from the YouTube service. As we can see in the images, the iPhone SE2 again demonstrates the rougher design of the original iPhone SE with a flat metal frame and no curved frames. Turning to the back of the phone, here we have a very similar design with the iPhone 11, with a rectangular camera module. Meanwhile, the luminous rockers again have a rounded design. Regarding specifications, previous rumors suggest that the iPhone SE2 will use a 4.7-inch LCD screen. The chipset will be the same A13 as the iPhone 11. It also only supports 4G connection, is equipped with 3GB of RAM LPDDR4X, 64GB/128GB of NAND flash memory and does not support 3D touch. Recall that Apple has patented a new technology that will be introduced in the brand new iPhone 12 2020. This is a fingerprint scanner that will be implemented under the screen itself, as Chinese manufacturers are already doing.